Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese powder. Begin by selecting a firm cheese and grating it finely, then spread it thin on a baking sheet and dry at low heat until brittle. Once fully dehydrated, cool the cheese, break into pieces, and grind to a fine powder using a food processor or spice grinder. Sift the powder for uniform texture, store in an airtight container, and label with the date for best freshness. Here are reliable drying options you can try at home. Oven drying at 150 degrees F or using a dehydrator at 135 degrees F gives controlled, even dehydration without burning. Arrange grated cheese in a single layer and rotate trays for consistent results. Check often near the end to prevent browning. The goal is a crisp, brittle texture. Once dry, let the cheese cool completely before grinding to avoid clumping. Grinding and seasoning are where the magic happens. Use short pulses in a food processor or spice grinder to achieve a fine, fluffy powder without melting the fats. If the powder seems greasy or clumpy, mix in a small amount of cornstarch to restore free-flowing texture. Taste and adjust with spices like garlic powder or paprika, then sieve the final product for a professional, even consistency before storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.